ಇದು ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. Hello everyone, good noon. This is Priya from Vastra Abhanna, Bangalore. So happy Monday to everyone. Hope you're all doing great. On today's lab show, we are coming up with exclusive Banaras semi-silk collection. On today's live show, exclusive Banaras semi-silk collection. I just wait for few friends to join. Just 2 minutes, I'll start the show, friends. On today's live show, we are coming up with new arrivals, completely new arrivals for today's live show. So welcome to Vastra Abhanna. Hi Divya ma'am, good noon. Welcome to Vastra Abhanna. So we have new arrivals like which you have already asked for, bright colors. We have more. So like whatever I'm wearing, it's completely a Banaras semi-silk collection. So actual cost is 2,200. We are just giving this for 1,850. That is only for today. If you are picking up single, it's 1,850. If you are picking two, it's 3,500. That is only for today's live show. Those who wish to place order, kindly take screenshot and you can connect with us on WhatsApp. Our store is working from Monday to Sunday, from morning 11 to evening 8 we are working. Okay, let me start the show. So whatever I'm wearing is completely a Banaras soft silk collection. This has a mango design on the entire saree. This is a yellow with a blue combination. So this is priced at 1,850 for single. This is how the entire saree looks. Ma'am, jewelry collection we don't have anything new, ma'am. Whatever we have posted in the group, those are available. This is how the pallu looks. This is a zari woven pallu, comes with the tassels. We have different colors in this. I'll show you one by one. If you are looking for this particular color, we have two designs in this. So whatever I'm wearing is the same mango design, and we have one more design in this also. This is also same like whatever I'm wearing. So this is also priced at 1,850 for single. And if you are picking two, it's 3,500. We are kept on sale. All these are new arrivals, but so we have so many colors, new arrivals in this. So this is how the saree looks. Free shipping we are providing. We are providing free shipping. The same color, whatever I'm wearing, this is the same color. This is the dewdrop design, comes with the blue color border. And this is how the pallu looks. The pallu has got the mango weaving design. This is how the pallu looks, and this comes with the brocade blouse. Thank you Divya ma'am. So this is priced at 1,850. So we are providing free shipping. If you are picking single, we are giving for 1,850. If you are picking two, it's 3,500. So we have so many different shades in this. So 1,850 for single, free shipping we are providing. We have Banaras tissue also, which we have posted in the Facebook and as well as in Insta. So that is also a different category. Those are really look like a Kanchi silk sarees. See this one. This is how the color looks. It's a wine shade. All these are soft silk. Thank you Gopa ma'am. Thank you so much. I'm doing great. How are you ma'am? See, this is how the saree looks. All are premium quality only. The same you can get it in online for 2,800, 3,250 they are selling, but all these are the same premium quality you will get. We are providing in a budgeted range 1,850. So 1,850 plus free shipping we are providing. This is how the saree looks. See the big border of the saree, and this is the pallu. This is how the pallu looks. The pallu has already got tassels, and this comes with the rich brocade blouse. 6.30 meter saree, regular wash at home. So we have different shades in this. If you are really looking for, kindly text us on WhatsApp. Adu grey ma. So all these are dewdrop design. See this one. This is a beautiful color. This is actually a pastel grey. Comes with the wine color border. This is the pastel grey shade. Comes with the wine color border. Each and every color is really different. See this one. This looks like a pure silk saree. The same look you will get. This is how the saree looks. So one side this is the same color golden zari weaving border. On the other side this comes with the contrast weaving border. And this is how the pallu looks. See this one. This is how the pallu looks, and this comes with the contrast blouse. So free shipping we are providing 1,850 for single. If you are taking two, it's 3,500. Free shipping we are providing. All these are awesome colors on the same design. We have a different shade. So we have a royal blue with orange color. We have a royal blue, the same dewdrop design with royal blue orange shade. We have a black with green color. It's a parrot green. 1,850 for single, ma'am. 1,850 for single. If you are taking two, it's 3,500. Free shipping we are providing all over India. Free shipping. So this is the black color. This is the exact design. It's a dewdrop design. All are premium quality. We have a bottle green with yellow. This is also a very awesome color. Bottle green with yellow. We have so many different designs in this. So we have a tissue range also, that is 2,499. I'll show you those ones. This is the bottle green with yellow color combination. Bottle green with yellow. If you are looking for any particular color, kindly text me in the comment box. I'll open it for you. And this is the different design what we have in this. This is the different design. This is a mango yellow. Comes with the pink color border. This is the mango yellow. Comes with the pink color border. I'll show you this saree how it looks. These are small border ones. The previous ones are little bigger border. Thank you, Copa ma'am. Thank you so much. See this one, the same richness you will get on the entire saree. Hello Padmaja ma'am. So this is the dewdrop design in a small pattern. The previous one is the bigger dewdrop design, and this is the smaller one. And this comes with the rich pallu. This is the same pallu. This is the exact look of the pallu. And this comes with the contrast brocade blouse. 1,850 for single. If you are picking two, it's 3,500. Free shipping we are providing. So this is the leaf green with royal blue color. This is the leaf green with royal blue color. See, all the colors are really rich in this. Reasonable price, budgeted friendly. The quality is premium quality. This is the bottle green with the pink color border. The same small dewdrop design. If anyone wants to see any particular saree open, kindly comment in the comment box. I'll open it for you. See, this is how the saree looks. The same look you will get. It's a very soft silk collection. So we have a Rani pink with Rama green design color. It's a Rani pink with Rama green. See, all the colors are really pretty. Regular wash at home. This is how the saree looks. See, regular wash at home. This is how the pallu looks. And this comes with the contrast blouse. 1,850 for single. The premium quality Banaras semi silk collections. 3,500 for 2. If you are picking 1, it's 1,850. If you are picking 2, it's 3,500. Only free shipping we are providing. See this one. This is a half white cream color with pink color border. All these are smaller ones. So next I'm moving on to the other design. What we have in this. 5 on the design. See this one. This is the other design what we have. This is actually a light green with the reddish maroon combination. This is the light green shade, comes with the reddish maroon combination. So whatever border color you have, the same pallu and contrast blouse you will get. Next we have a traditional bottle green with red combination. It's a bottle green with red combination. All these are 1,850. Free shipping we are providing. If you are picking 2, it's 3,500. See this one. It's a cream with pink color. So all these are the colors available in this design. We have one more design I'll show you. This is the one more design what we have. It completely looks like a tissue saree. It's completely look like a tissue saree. This is the closer look of the saree. It's a bottle green, comes with the Rani pink combination. I'll open one saree for you. I'll show you the other colors what we have in this. This pallu looks very, very special. It's a very nice combination. The entire saree has got the beautiful tissue work on the entire saree. This is the bottle green. All these are soft silk. This comes with the pink color border, contrast Rani pink color border. See the richness of the pallu. This is how the pallu looks. It has got a beautiful pallu design. This is the closer look of the saree. The entire saree has got the tissue weaving work. This is the blouse, contrast blouse. On the same design, we have 5 different shades. I'll show you one by one. We have a pink with royal blue. On the same design, we have a pink with royal blue. So we have a red with green. All the colors are pretty in this. It's completely a tissue look. We have a sky blue with navy blue combination. It's a sky blue with navy blue combination. And we have the same color, whatever I'm wearing, the same color but different design. Whatever I'm wearing, the same color but different design you will get. So priced at 1,850 for single. It's 3,500. Next I'm moving on to the Banaras tissue collection what we have in this. So this comes with the temple weaving design. It's an antique zari border. The entire saree has got the antique zari weaving. Comes with the temple border. I'll show you one saree how this looks. The entire saree has got a copper zari weaving work. This is priced at 2,499. Correct, Alma? 2,399. 2,399 plus shipping charges. Sorry, free shipping. 2,399 plus free shipping we are providing. The entire saree has got the antique zari weaving. This is a beautiful saree. It's a copper zari weaving. This is how the saree looks. The entire saree has got the beautiful temple weaving design on the entire saree. It comes from all over the saree, and the same color copper zari weaving blouse you will get. This is the copper zari weaving blouse. This is the closer look of the saree. This comes with the 1 meter blouse. This is the blouse length, and this is the entire saree look. This is priced at 2,399. The saree looks like this. We have around 8 different shades in this. I'll show you, but the designs are same. The colors are different. But we have 8 different shades in this. See this one. This is the black color. Comes with the copper zari weaving. So we have a maroon. It's a maroon color. If you are looking for any particular saree open, kindly text me in the comment box. I'll open it for you. We have a red color. See, all this gives a very grand look. These are wedding collections. 2399 only. It's a soft, easy to drape. So we have a wine shade. So the same design, but we have different colors. Whatever I'm wearing, so the black color what I have shown. We have different shades. This is a wine color. This is magenta. If you are looking for any particular color, kindly text me in the comment box. I'll open it for you. I'll open one more saree. This is the bottle green. This is the bottle green. The same richness you will get all over the saree. Very soft, nice to drape with the temple weaving design. 2399. So this is, I'll open this saree for you. This is the Rama green color. The entire saree has got the beautiful weaving design on the entire saree. See this one. This has got the beautiful weaving design. This is how the border looks. The border has got the temple weaving design. And this is how the pallu looks. The pallu has also got the same design on the pallu. And this comes with the brocade blouse. The same color brocade blouse. 2399. Free shipping we are providing. We have one more color in this. We have one more shade. We have a navy blue. Sorry, royal blue. No? Royal blue. This is royal blue. So these 8 colors are available in this particular design. 2399. This is entirely, this saree has got the copper weaving work. Copper weaving saree. This is the entire saree has also got the same weaving design. The pallu, but the colors are same. The entire body, the pallu and blouse, all everything is same. But it looks very pretty. All these are bridal collection. So this is how the blouse looks. 2399. Free shipping we are providing. We have around 8 shades. If you are looking for this particular saree, kindly text me in the WhatsApp. We will send you the exact color. Whatever you see, the same design and the same color you will get. That's all for today's live show, friends. Thank you. Thank you for your support and love. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.